This is the first time I'm making a sushi. So I've already rolled out 2 parts. An orange layer and the white layer. And now I'm gonna pack this in here like so. I have no idea anything about sushi. And this smell is perfect. It is a perfect blend. I am sure this blend goes with a sushi for sure. Since I'm not going to be eating this sushi, never had sushi in my life. I think it's such a pretty food. Like, and I wanted this to have a texture. And I'm using all lakes here to make these colors. And I'm watching some comedy. Yes, some comedy. Oh. I did not. Oh, I'm too far away from that. Alright. I'm gonna roll this in. This is the part that gets me every time. I want this to be very round. And I'm going to put this in the fridge like this, let it harden up, and bring it back to cut it. And see how good of a sushi roll I made. Woo! Okay guys, I think this is ready to cut. It's very soft because I have quite a bit of glycerin in this one. And let's see. I cut some of it already. I think I should cut it from the middle. That's nice. Say, does that look like a sushi to you? Oh yes, and I am telling you, I am loving the smell. Oops, looks like it's gonna fall apart here on me. Let's cut this. It's really soft, guys. It's absolutely soft. And that's because I didn't roll it very tight. Oh, I love the smell. The smell is amazing.
with me.